Hello, YouTube. I wanna play a game. Ha 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 ha. Ahem. Just kidding. I just wanna chat with you about a random subject. Well, let's talk about likes and dislikes. Now, many of the videos I have visited, I find something called likes and dislikes. And then I understood. If you like a video, you are a good person. But if you dislike it, then you're a... Though I have noticed yet another conspiracy, which involves likes and dislikes. I went to Justin Bieber's video and discovered that she has over 2 million dislikes, and that its dislikers are good people, while the likers are. So then, I discovered what kind of tools the like and dislike buttons are. Weapons of mass destruction ready to infuse hate or friendship among people. Well, enough of this. I want to play a game. You see the button next to the timer that has a thumb rising to the sky. Press it, and you shall not die. Press the dislike button, and, well, you shall die. Simple as that. Oh, wait! If you are one of those people who like dislikes and dislike likes, well, that makes you dislikers, I guess. Yeah, you'll die as well. P.S. No chipmunks have been harmed in this video. Those who love me and my work, please press this button. Those who are beavers and don't know the meaning of good music and side with press the dislike button. And one more thing. If you really love my work, you see that freaky subscribe button, I guess? Press it and join the Bloodhood. Thanks. Now, where's the music? Play the music. It's time for the music. Bieber fever. Oh, no, I didn't say that. Well, I did, but I mean it in a negative way. Or a positive way. Or, you get the point. Okay, bye. And I'll see you later. And I'll kidnap you. Just kidding. Goodbye.